Next topic is of translation. Translation, we studied that protein synthesis has two steps. One is of transcription, another one is of translation. Transcription is the formation of messenger RNA from DNA, that is known as transcription, and translation, the message which is present on the messenger RNA that formed into a transferred into a particular polypeptide chains, that is known as translation. So from messenger RNA to protein synthesis is there, or formation of protein synthesis or formation of polypeptide chain is known as translation. Translation process occur in the following stage. First is of activation of amino acids. Activation of amino acids. Amino acid activation. So during this stage, amino acid react with the ATP in the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme. Amino acyl synthetase enzyme synthetase enzymes which form amino acid AMP enzyme complex. Amino acid AMP enzyme complex. Amino acid AMP adenosine monophosphate enzyme complex plus 2 inorganic phosphate will be releases. This is the activation of amino acid with the help of ATP, and that next step is of transfer of amino acid to transfer RNA. Transfer of amino acid to transfer RNA. It is also known as charging of transfer RNA. इसी को चार्जिंग ऑफ ट्रांसफर आरएनए भी कहते हैं. सो इन दिस स्टेज दिस वन इज दैट इज एमिनो एसिड एएमपी एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्ट विद द ट्रांसफर आरएनए. ये ट्रांसफर आरएनए से रिएक्ट होता है तो ये पोर्शन रिलीज हो जाता है, एंड दैट एमिनो एसिड transfer RNA plus that is AMP plus enzyme. So this process is known as transfer. In this process the amino acid is transferred from AMP enzyme complex to transfer RNA. So we can say that is the charging of transfer RNA, and in this stage the transfer RNA will be चार्ज. ट्रांसफर आरएनए यहाँ क्या हो जाता है, चार्ज हो जाता है. देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑफ एक्टिवेशन ऑफ राइबोसोम्स. राइबोसोम, वी नो द राइबोसोम इज द साइट ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. राइबोसोम क्या होती है, ये प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस की साइट होती है. And during activation, that messenger RNA which is released from the nucleus, that messenger RNA attached with the smaller subunit of, that is if you see in the prokaryote that is 30S, and if you see in the eukaryote that is of 40S. So messenger RNA, the pipe end of messenger RNA attached with the smaller unit of ribosome, and this formed that is 30S plus messenger RNA, which form 30S messenger RNA complex. Then after, the magnesium ion concentration will increase, and due to which that larger subunit will be attached on this position. So that now that ribosome will be intact in their position. मीन्स इससे पहले राइबोसोम की दोनों सब यूनिट अलग अलग होती है, अब ये आकर के दोनों एक हो चुकी है, स्मॉलर सब यूनिट और लार्जर सब यूनिट. एंड द 5 end of the messenger RNA, this is of messenger RNA, the 5 end of messenger RNA which has codons, triplet in the form of triplets, that 5 end will be attached towards the 30S subunits and 3 end will be freely floating in the cytoplasm. And this is the activation of ribosome. Ribosome activated हो जाता है. Next step is of initiation of polypeptide chain. During this initiation of polypeptide chain, we see that initially that 30S ribosome and 50S ribosome come join together, and this messenger RNA is attached on this 30S, and then after both the subunit of ribosome attached together to form complete 70S type of ribosome that is present in the prokaryotic cells. The first codons of messenger RNA, that is 5 end, which is towards the 30S subunits. Now that charge transfer RNA means the transfer RNA which is attached with the amino acids which transfer to the site of protein synthesis. Suppose this is the transfer RNA. We studied that transfer RNA has 4 arm, one. This is of amino acid side. This is of amino acid side, and this side, on this side the amino acid will be attached, and this is of anticodon site, anticodon sites. Or here the first initiating codon is of AUG on the messenger RNA. First triplet is of AUG, or here the opposite means complementary against adenine, that uracil is there, uracil attached with the adenine, and guanine is the cytosine. So on in which transfer RNA these 3 anticodon is there, uracil, adenine and cytosine, that will be attached with the MAT amino acids, that is MAT means methionine, and it will be transferred to the site of protein synthesis here, that is AUG and UAC. This is the first amino acid 1, and this is first. Then this side is known as peptide site or P site. P site. Here 2 site is there on the ribosome. Towards the 5 end, that is P site is there, and towards the 3 end, that is A site is there. A site, or we can say amino acid site. Oh, here the next amino acid will be bring by the transfer RNA. जो next यहाँ पर suppose जो भी anticodon होंगे, suppose here anticodon is G, C and that is of A. So G will be attached with cytosine, guanine attached with cytosine, cytosine attached with the guanine, adenine is attached with the uracil, because that in RNA is not thymine is there. So CGU, that is the next third codon, 1, 2, 3. So here next third codon 1, 2, 3. So here another transfer RNA will carry another amino acids. That is of amino acid second, and this is of A site. This is of P side or peptide side, and second triplet towards the A side. Here this one is of amino acid 1 and this one is of amino acid 2. Between these two amino acids the peptide bond will form, and now this charged, or we can say this transfer RNA will be removed and to carry another amino acids free for the bring another amino acids towards the messenger RNA. In this way, step by step, new amino acids will be transferred by the transfer RNA towards the site of protein synthesis, and slightly this ribosome will be moved towards the three end. Ribosome slide towards the three ends. So now this next site will be the, this site will be again P site, और this one is of again 3 conticodon site is of A site. So जो पहले A साइट थी अब वो P साइट हो जाएगी और A साइट अगली आ जाएगी, वहां पर नया अमीनो एसिड आएगा, और इन दिस वे वन बाय वन अमीनो एसिड कैरी बाय द ट्रांसफर RNA and which form the long chain polypeptide chain, long polypeptide chain, and this messenger RNA will be dissolved into the cytoplasm because its lifespan was only 3 seconds. So during 3 seconds that whole process will be completed, and after the formation of polypeptide chain, transfer RNA will be free, messenger RNA will be dissolved, and rhizome again detached, that smaller unit and larger subunit. And this complete process requires different factors and different enzymes also. So due to which the complete protein synthesis is occur. Peptide bond formed between the two amino acids. If we see the structure of amino acid, that is R, CH, NH2, COOH. This is the structure of one amino acid, and another amino acid is of, that is CH, and this one is of NH2, R and COH. Here one water molecule will be eliminated, due to which and peptide bond will be formed, due to which that R, CH, NH2, CO, NH. This is the peptide bond between two amino acids. Then CH, R, COH, continuously more and more amino acid will be come towards the A site, and between these two amino acids peptide bond will be formed, and after the completion of this messenger RNA a complete new protein is formed, and then after that there's a ribosome, transfer RNA and messenger RNA will be released. Means messenger RNA and the function will be over, messenger RNA function will be over, it will be dissolved, and transfer RNA carry free for the another functions, and 30S and 50S ribosomal unit will be free. And for the complete process the many enzymes and initiating factors and protein is required for the process of protein synthesis. This is the whole process that require different space. First one is of activation of amino acids, in which amino acids react with the ATP, and that will be activated to form amino acid amino acid AMP enzyme complex. Then after activation of transfer RNA or charging of transfer RNA in which the transfer RNA will be attached with the amino acids. जो यहाँ पर amino acids इसके साथ लगा था AMP के साथ, वो transfer RNA के साथ जुड़ जाएगा. Then third one is of activation of ribosome. Ribosome will be activated by the attachment of messenger RNA. फिर पहले 3S, 30S, फिर 50S भी यूनिट अटैच हो जाती है. Then next one is of initiation of polypeptide chain. So towards the 5' which is attached with the 30S messenger RNA, 30S ribosome, where initiating codon is there, that is of AUG or MET. So MET amino acid carried by the transfer RNA, and that will be here attached. This is the site of P site, and another messenger and another amino acid bring by the another transfer RNA towards the A site. So towards 5' P site is there, towards 3' A site is there, that is amino acid site. P site means peptide sites. So here next transfer RNA will be attached, or these two amino acids will be side by side, and between them this peptide bond will be formed. Whenever the next amino acid will be formed, and again the third amino acid will be come together, and next peptide bond will be formed. In this way, this ribosome slide towards the 3 ends step by steps, and one by one next amino acid will become on the messenger RNA, and peptide bond will be formed, and in this way that completion of protein synthesis is there, and the particular type of protein will be formed by this process. That is the translation process.